Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Introducing the 2022 model Volkswagen Polo MK6 R-Line that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the stunning metallic vibrant violet paintwork, alongside housing your 1-litre TSI engine and manual transmission. It is the ideal necessity upgrade for any individual. Packed with plenty of top features, including your light and sight pack with your auto LED headlights. You do also have further convenience with your parking sensors and power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers plenty of space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort for all passengers, with your fitted ISOFIX points and access to your central power outlets. Moving into the front, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel for further convenience, with access to your digital cockpit and central touch display screen. That modernised edge does continue with your R embroidered logo, followed by seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, various audio, and even your full view display of your navigation system. You do also have the added bonus of your speed limiter to assist out on the open road, followed by similar access to your variation of radio stations and of course your app Connect that does come compatible with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Again, you do have access to your built-in navigation, ideal for those who love to explore, getting you around those unfamiliar areas. You do also have your digital cockpit displayed on here, alongside the activation of your parking sensors when manoeuvring, guiding you into those awkward parking spots, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. Just below, you will find your main touch buttons for your dual climate control, followed underneath by your handy charging outlets, central cup holders and small storage compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.